In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce transparency and increase contrast on your iPhone's display. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, go into Settings and there scroll down for a bit and tap at Accessibility. Now there select Display and Text Size. And there would be two options. The first is Reduce Transparency. You can turn on that option to improve contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility. And also here you can enable the second option, it calls Increase Contrast. Now you see how the menu looks like, and also you can go to home screen and see how it changed. The contrast is now more higher than before, and also transparency has been reduced. And of course, in any time you can go back and turn off both of these options. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.